This is the Tipsy M3 Professional IEM, an in-ear monitor designed for musicians, performers, and everyday listeners who want detailed sound in a compact design. The earphones feature a hybrid driver setup with two balanced armature drivers and one dynamic driver, designed to deliver a balanced listening experience with clear vocals, detailed highs, and solid low-end response. Whether you're monitoring instruments, listening to music, or using them during practice sessions, the multi-driver design helps create a more immersive sound profile. One thing I like about the Tipsy M3 is the 36 decibel passive noise cancellation, which helps reduce outside distractions during performances, travel, or focused listening sessions. The IPX5 water resistance rating is also practical for workouts, rehearsals, or daily use where light moisture or sweat may be a factor. The skin-friendly resin shell is designed for a comfortable fit during longer listening sessions, and the acoustic runway technology helps support detailed audio performance and sound separation. Another useful feature is the detachable 0.78mm 2-pin cable, which makes replacement and upgrades easier over time while adding flexibility for different audio setups. Overall, the Tipsy M3 Professional IEM is a versatile option for musicians and audio enthusiasts looking for detailed sound, comfort, and a customizable in-ear monitor design.